Okay, before we will start, let us all pray. Stand up, please. Who wants to lead a prayer?
Ma'am.
Nicole?
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, you now take your seats. For our classroom rules, please everybody read.
Listen to the discussion carefully.
If you want to interrupt the discussion or if you want to ask something, raise a hand by clicking the hand sign below or say, "Excuse me, ma'am."
Respect one another.
Rules are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so before we will proceed to our discussion, who among you here can still remember our previous lesson? Yes, John Just.
Our previous lesson was all about animal raising.
Yes, very good. So our previous lesson was all about animal raising. So since we are not in a classroom setup because of this pandemic, so let's just proceed to our objectives. Everybody, please read our objectives.
At the end of the lesson, the pupil can identify the different kind of fish
being raised
as means of livelihood, appreciate the importance in raising a fish, and illustrate the different method in fish cultivation.
So from our objectives, what do you think would be our lesson for today?
Ma'am,
Yes?
animal raising.
Not?
Ma'am,
Yes?
fish raising.
Yes, it is fish raising. Very good, Nicole. Now, class, look at these pictures in front. What have you seen?
Fishes.
Yes, very good. It is fishes. Have you tried eating this kind of fish?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
In your family? With
Yes,
your
ma'am.
family?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, what fish is this in this first picture?
Bangus.
So, bangus is our...
National fish.
Yes, very good. So, bangus is our national fish. How about this one?
Tilapia.
Tilapia. Have you tried eating this?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it delicious or not?
Delicious.
Yes. So, how about this next picture? You don't
Mudfish.
know? Yes, correct. It's mudfish. Correct, Janjes. How about this one?
Catfish.
What?
Catfish.
Cat?
Catfish.
Why did you say catfish?
Because of this.
Because of the...
This.
Yes, like this one.
Like this.
How about this one? What fish is this?
Crabfish.
No, this fish is called carp. How about this one? Last picture.
Goldfish.
No, it's not goldfish. But the color of its tail is like orange.
Yes.
But the name of this fish is called gourami. This fishes class, those fishes that I showed to you, are example of fishes that are raised in artificial water. So among those fishes, how many of them have you already tasted?
Bangus, tilapia.
Bangus,
mudfish.
tilapia,
Mudfish.
mudfish. So how many of them?
3.
3. Okay. Now class, let's talk about fish raising since it is our topic. So what do you mean by fish raising? Anyone? Yes, John? Yes?
Fish raising is a process which you are taking care of fish, and if they grow, you can sell them in the market.
Yes, very good. Thank you, John. Yes. How about you, Nicole?
Fish raising or fish farming is a form of aquaculture in which fish are raised in conclosure to be sold as food.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Nicole. Fish raising class is one of the source of income for the farmers because it is a good source of livelihood. So why does it is a good source of livelihood? Yes, Nicole?
It is a good source of livelihood because it is the fastest growing area of animal food production.
Yes, very good, Nicole. So those pictures that you have seen a while ago are example of the fishes that can be raised in artificial. So what do you mean by artificial?
It is man-made, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Artificial is just only man-made. But there are also other farmers who uses not only artificial but uses other methods. Like methods in fish cultivation. So what are those? Can you read?
Methods in fish cultivation. Fish open method, fish pond method, open water method.
Yes, thank you, Janjas. So this is an illustration of fish pen method. What do you mean by fish pen method?
Fish pan method in land water in lakes or lagoons.
Very good. So this is an example. What have you seen in the picture?
There's so many net.
Net, correct? So in the second picture, this is an illustration of fish pan method. What do you mean by fish pan method?
Pan method is fresh brackish or marine water, which means that natural food is grown.
So from the first picture, what have you seen the difference of them?
The water.
The water, the color of the water, why?
Because in the first picture, the color of the water
Is
blue. Then the second picture is color brown. Brown.
because of the soil. Because it is fish pan, so artificial lang siyang ginabuhat. Next, illustration.
Open.
So, open water method, it is an illustration of the open water method. What do you mean by open water method?
Open water method is done in bays,
coastal
lagoons. It cultivates oyster, mussels, seaweeds, and others.
Now class, I will let you watch a 4 minutes video about fish raising. List all the important details you found in the video because we will discuss it after. Watch how they raise their fishes, how they handle and how they feed a lot of fishes. This video is entitled Meditated Feeds for Hybrid Magur Fish Farming Business. let's have an oral recitation. This oral recitation is true or false. You will answer true if the statement I will be saying is correct. However, it is false if the statement I was saying is not true. 1. Fish pen method is a form of aquaculture in which fish are raised in enclosure to be sold as food. True or false?
False.
Yes, correct. False. Fish pen method is a method in which natural food is grown. True or false?
True.
Correct. Next, fish farming is the other term of fish raising.
True.
Correct. Number 4, fish raising is a method in which it is inland water in lakes or lagoon.
False.
Correct. Number 5, artificial water is a natural water.
False.
Correct. Now class, get one sheet of bond paper and all you have to do is to illustrate the methods in fish cultivation. Choose only one method from the 3 which is the best for you to use. Below in your drawing, explain why did you choose that method in a paragraph form, 3 to 5 sentences only. Are we clear? So again, what do you mean by fish raising?
Fish raising or fish farming is a form of aquaculture in which fish are raised in enclosure to be sold as food.
Yes, correct. Very good. So what are the fish that can be raised in an artificial water? Can you enumerate?
Bangus, tilapia, mudfish, catfish, carp, and gourami.
Yes, very good. Now, what are the 3 methods in fish cultivation? Nicole?
Fish pen method, fish pan method, open water method.
So, among those 3 methods, what do you think is the best method to use in practical? Yes?
For me, ma'am, the best method is the fish pan method in raising a fish because it is easy for you to feed the fish.
Okay, thank you. Now, class, why is it important to raise a fish?
Because raising a fish is a good source for livelihood.
And another one?
Because raising a fish as a business is good.
Very good, class. Thank you for your brilliant ideas. That's all for today, class. Goodbye and God bless everyone. See you tomorrow.